Guys, I wanted to let you guys know to what extreme the management here works with Scientology and allowing them access to stalk me or make contact with me. So February 2nd of 2021, I was as much as possible trying to avoid to leave the house, which meant I wasn't really even going out jogging much. I would just work out inside my apartment. I have a few workout machines. One of them is a quality gym grade. I won't even say what kind of machine it is, but it's a kick-ass machine. So I was avoiding leaving, and I was maybe going to the grocery store like once every 2 weeks. And so I get a knock at the door. It's the maintenance guy, Americo, and he's standing there not saying a word. And there's this like Hispanic guy standing next to him I'd never seen in my life. And I'm thinking, what's going on? Because nobody's saying anything. And I look at the guy, and he's like, oh, we heard there's flooding downstairs. There's businesses are flooding downstairs because of your unit. And I was like, what? And I'm like, well, come in. So the guy I never saw before, he never introduced himself. He wasn't wearing a name tag. Americo didn't say one word. He just sat there like this. This guy was not dressed like a plumber. Nothing. Didn't introduce himself that I'm Mike the plumber. Nothing. From this company, nothing. He comes into my apartment. He goes into my bathroom. He's looking around. And he's looking around at areas where I highly suspect there's surveillance, where they're surveillancing me, watching me in my apartment, breaching my tenant, my lease. And this guy doesn't even work in this building. This guy had nothing to show that he was actually a plumber. So as I noticed him not even concerned about plumbing or about this supposed flooding that's going on in the businesses downstairs, I said to him, by the way, I haven't had hot water in my tub and in my shower since I moved in, like almost 3 years ago. And he looks over at me, he goes, well, do you have hot water in your bathroom sink? I'm like, yeah. He goes, well, that's good enough. You know, I get tired of the bullshit. This building does when they want to like harass me, put me in harm's way, sending strangers to my door from Scientology. It's exactly what it was. So before even saying anything about him being from Scientology, I escorted him out. And I said, well, as you can see, there's nothing going on here. And he walks out and he goes, well, not now. Well, not yet. He goes, well, not yet. Or not now. And like, what kind of plumber says this? Every contractor or plumber I've ever worked for, they want to like get down to the nitty gritty, and then they want to upsell you. So this guy was not interested in plumbing. He was not interested in my defective plumbing. And this building will bring these monsters up to your door, not identify them. And so when they finally left, and I was like thinking, oh my God, that is so weird. Like, what is going on? Like, that's so weird. So I posted a video of me approaching Americo as he was sitting in his truck early in the morning in the parking lot here before he started his day to work. And he admitted the guy was a Scientologist. And he also refused to give me his name, to give me the company he worked for, to give me the business license of the company he worked for, and the name of the plumbing company he represented. And again, this building will violate your tenant rights, your civil rights, and your human rights as much as they can. And you know, they let this Scientologist guy into my apartment. He could have raped me. He could have completely just, that's it. That would have been the end of me. He could have attacked me. So you guys, I just want to let you know on February 2nd, you know, they bring Scientology people up to my unit. The guy was looking at areas where they had surveillance, had been watching me in my unit. And again, this is all about money. This is all about control. This is all about assaulting and killing people in the name of being funded by our government, who gives them this money via COINTELPRO, via taxpayers money. Alright guys, I just wanted to make this quick video and let you know like how corrupt this building is I live in. I found out from a few people this is a Scientology building, so I'm trying desperately to get the hell out. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video, and be good to each other. Bye everyone.